Hey everybody, welcome back. Sive here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's have a look on the gold market. Well, actually, on the gold market we have the minimum changes compared to recent session. Today is the big celebration on the crypto market. But in the gold market you can see that actually everything stands relatively flat, and I would not have any big events that have happened. In general, it seems that investors just waiting something. And this something suggests probably Iran, because currently I don't know any other big events that might make impact on the gold market and actually set the shape of this market. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, as we already said, that as long as market stands above the previous top and showing the side action together with the bearish MACD indicator, that creates a sign of the possible dynamic pressure, bullish dynamic pressure performance. And in this case, market usually dynamic pressure has the target above this area, so market should move higher and take out of the stop. But at these points, as we said, market will be very close to this OP target, which is a 53.50, and we suggest that probably this target in this case will be met, especially if we could also suggest here kind of the butterfly, minor butterfly that could complete precisely the OP. That's how our short-term plan exists. On an hourly chart, we have a bit choppy action without any big setups. Our major entry opportunity was right here when we said take a look at the confluence 51 area. That's the chance for taking a long position. Some of our traders already hold this position with this upper direction. If you would like to possess yourself with the long side, on the long side, taking the position here, our task is to do this as close to the lows as possible, just to minimize potential risk. So yes, there was some retracement, but you can see that market was not able to break the triangle and still remains inside of it. In general, keeping the triangle shape, it keeps gold on the bullish side. So while market stands with this consolidation, the bullish background exists, but at the same time it's obviously to suggest that actually this can't last forever, because this is narrowing consolidation. So market in one or another moment will have to go out of it. So we have less and less time to make a decision on a possible second entry. For example, well, as a perfect scenario, I would suggest the kind of the 222 pattern inside of it. That's maybe really great, because in this case we could get the position very close to invalidation points with a very small risk, and at the same time we will get a good pattern on the back that could suggest possible upper continuation. That will be perfect. But at the same time, it's difficult to say whether we definitely will get this pattern or not, because inside of the triangle consolidation you can see what the type of action we have. Lots of overlapping candles, choppy performance, swings changing the direction very often, so we can't exclude that it might be the straightforward upward breakout as well. So that's the most sophisticated moment for those of you who would like to take the long position, whether to wait for better entry closer to invalidation points but get the risk of the possible missing an opportunity, and second, just do nothing and wait for a good entry and ignoring the possible upper performance in this case. So today is the Thursday, we have the Friday session and then the weekend. So maybe it makes sense to wait today and tomorrow and see what will happen. If we will get good opportunity for entry, let's take it. If not, better to postpone any activity on the next week, because once again, because of the holidays. In the weekend, big things very often happens. It might be the big thing as on a deal with Iran, and a big thing as on a striking on Iran. So it might happen both scenarios. So from that standpoint of view, I would follow this plan. So taking the position if we will get good entry opportunity in the two rest sessions until the weekend. If we will get nothing, then makes sense to wait the next week and see